Hello, welcome. In this video, you will learn how to play the D major scale. Make sure that your ukulele is tuned and also make sure that the nails on your chord hand are really short. This will make it so that you can press the strings correctly and get a nice ringing sound. But first, if you would like to see song tutorials, reviews, unboxings, and videos like this one, then subscribe to this channel. Before we begin, let's memorize the notes in this scale. This scale has two sharps, F sharp and C sharp. So when you get to those letters, add the word sharp next to them. So this is how we say the notes in the scale. D, E, F sharp, G, A, B, C sharp, and D. If you say these note names with me, it'll be much more easy for you to memorize them. So say it with me. D, E, F sharp, G, A, B, C sharp, D. So what we need to do is find those notes on our ukulele, press and pick on that. So let's start here. Second fret of the C string is D. So find D. If your ukulele is tuned, it should sound just like mine. Next we have E. We know that we have an open string by that name, so just open string E. Next we have F sharp, second fret of E. So let's do those three notes. Watch me do it first. Again. Now let's do it together. 1, 2, ready, go. D, E, F sharp. It helps if you say it. 1, 2, ready, go. D, E, F sharp. You can say or sing. Next we have G, which is right next to F sharp. And then open string A. So let's try G and A. Watch me do it first. Do it with me. Ready, go. Also, I forgot to mention earlier, but try to use the same fingers that I'm using. Try to avoid sliding. Sliding will not help your technique. We really want to build the hand technique, so make sure you use the correct fingers. So let's go from F sharp to G to A. Watch me do it first. Together, 1, 2, ready, go. One more time, make sure you're using the right fingers. Ready, go. So now let's go from D to A. That is called the pentatonic scale because it has 5 steps, penta 5. So D, E, F sharp, G, A. Try it from D. 1, 2, D, go. D, E, F sharp, G, A. Try again. 1, 2, ready, D, E, F sharp, G, A. Okay, these next notes are a little bit trickier just because there's more space with them. So B is here on the second fret of the A string. Now you're going to use your ring finger and go all the way to the 4th fret for C sharp. And finish D with your pinky. So watch me real quick. Don't look at your ukulele. Look up here. Look up here. Look up here. Okay? Watch me. I'm on the 2nd, 4th, and 5th fret. Watch me one more time and then you'll try it. Okay? Watch, watch, watch. Okay, now you try it. 1, 2, ready, B, C sharp, D. Again, ready, B, C sharp, D. One more time, B, C sharp, D. Very nice. Now relax the hand real quick. So next, I would like you to take a few seconds to practice going from D to D. If you feel like you need to rewatch any part of it, there are timestamps down below to help you skip through the video. Pause the video here, practice a bit, and come back when you're ready to go from D to D. Welcome back. Let's try it. We'll go super slow, okay? 1, 2, 1, 2, D, go. E, F sharp, G, A, B, C sharp, D. How was that? If that was too fast for you, there are gears either up here or down here on the YouTube like template, so you can slow the video down or you can speed it up. Okay, let's try it again. 1, 2, D, go. E, F sharp, G, A, B, C sharp, D. Once you kind of have the finger memory down, I want you to practice saying them because this will help you learn your way around the fretboard. So let's try it one more time. 1, 2, say it if you can. 1, 2, ready, D, E, F sharp, G, A, B, C sharp, D. Okay, so put your ukulele down real quick. Your homework is to memorize the scale, to learn how to play going up the scale, and 3, to learn how to play going down the scale. I don't expect you to master this in one day. This is something that you practice every morning or every night for about a week, and then you should see improvement. The last step in your homework is to comment down below once you've finished it. Okay, I gave you a little break. Now let's do it again. 1, 2, 1, 2, D, go. E, F sharp, G, A, B, C sharp, D. I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial of the D major scale. If you have not done it yet, we do have a C major scale tutorial that you can check out. If you would like to continue with this scale series, subscribe to this channel and turn on the bell so that you'll be notified of when the next one comes out. As always, thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in the next one. Sayonara!